There's this phrase that I learned when my son was a baby and we were doing all kinds of, sleep coaching, training, whatever you want to call it, trying to help him, nurturing him into some good sleep. And one of the people said, tears mark the struggle. And it's so interesting because this is something that I come back to very often is that for my son, he seems to learn best by experiencing something and experiencing his feelings in a really big way. Often that might involve him crying, him getting really upset. And then over time, we see that he adjusts and things go just fine. When we first started taking him to swim when he was 2, he did nothing but cry. And then he loved swimming, and swim is one of his favorite activities now. So if you are in a phase where your child is showing more distress, try to keep in mind that sometimes it's a sign of learning and that they're just struggling with something and figuring it out. Sometimes it could be a sign of something bigger, so you always want to be mindful of that and make sure to seek out advice of a therapist or a trusted other adult in your life who might have insight about what your child is experiencing. But often, our discomfort is just a sign of our learning, our growth, and doing something new, which is important to distinguish from genuine distress and being really upset by a situation in a way that needs intervention.